Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing like a quick unboxing of this new vacuum that I just bought off of Amazon with my own money, by the way, because my wife wanted a vacuum. So I've had like I do have a lot of like the rigid one, the portable one, but I think that one, it doesn't give a lot of like suctions. So I just want to try the Dewalt and see how it does. I think this one runs for $109, $139 somewhere in that ballpark. I don't remember exactly, but this is just bare tool only. It doesn't come with the battery or the charger. So let's unbox it and see what we get. What is this? It's a bag. I think it's a bag for you to carry it. And I think there's a hose extensions. And the manual. And more accessories. Swivel, nice. Little brush. HEPA filter. Feels really good. Kind of like it. So the model number for this one is DCV501H. All right, we'll put it on the side. Continue on with the unboxing. More little brush. This one will probably like go into the corner of the edges so we can suck it up. And this one. Another one. Small it in. And the long one. That's pretty much it. So I'll put all this away in here. And this is what we have. Put the manual. So let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So let's test it up. So here's an on and off button. Let's see how loud it is. Can you guys hear it? More than the other one, huh? Then you guys, this is pretty neat. It has a little light right here, the LED light. You know, it can shine at night or in tight spaces. You know. I think the one in the picture shows like a 5 amp, but I do have 5 amp, but right now I just only gonna just try it out with the 4. And I think for the extension, you just put it as simply easy like this if you ever want to extend it, and then you can even extend it even longer if you need to, I guess, like that. Or you can go from this end, you put this one, go with the small ones, or the big ones. Go with this one. There we go. Try it. Okay, and try with this one too. So you brush it, so like if it's kind of like sticky, brush it, then turn it on. Then we have this one. This one I guess for you to roll it on the floor. I think this is good. So let's try it with this one. This is probably a little bit longer. And I'll try with this. Look at this. Oh, it's stuck really bad. So maybe try like in the dirt inside. You can see it. We might not be able to see it from there, but you can see inside here. Yeah. It's been collecting a lot of dust. Yeah, a lot of tiny particles here. So it's pretty good. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, you know, subscribe. And other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.